Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Two Time Forsaken. This innovative temporal interface allows you to observe two separate points in time concurrently, offering unique insights. First, ensure your device is fully charged, indicated by a steady green light. Then, activate the primary temporal anchor by pressing the central button for 3 seconds. This establishes your present moment as the initial reference point. To activate your temporal links, use the intuitive holographic interface. Input your desired first temporal coordinate, selecting a specific date and time within a 500-year range. Confirm this selection. Next, repeat the process for your second temporal coordinate, ensuring it is distinct from the first. The device will then project two stable, independent observation windows, each displaying events from its designated time frame. With two active temporal links, you can now leverage dual timelines. For instance, you might observe a historical event from two different perspectives, or compare technological advancements across distinct eras. Remember, Two Time Forsaken is a passive observation tool. Direct interaction with either timeline is strictly impossible and could lead to temporal instability. Use the integrated audio-visual enhancers for clearer perception. To optimize your Two Time Forsaken experience, consider advanced calibration techniques. Fine-tune the temporal resolution settings to focus on specific moments within your 24-hour windows. For long-term use, ensure the device's internal chronometer is synchronized with universal time standards. Regular maintenance, including a monthly diagnostic scan, will ensure its longevity and accuracy for countless future observations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.